Hello! So today I was messing around with my Alienware M17 R4. I've been having the same audio issue that most people have been experiencing with this machine. You don't get your headphone jack doesn't work, your speakers aren't detected in Windows, you can't get audio output, the driver fixes don't work because it's obviously not even detected in Windows. So I think I finally found the solution. We're going to walk through that real quick here. So first thing is we need to flip her over and take out all the screws on the underside here. Okay. So in here, the problem seems to be under the little plastic cover they've got here, this connector right here. It is a land grid array, kind of like an Intel socketed CPU or the newer AMD CPUs. If we pull the screws out of both of these, we'll be able to see the pins on the underside of the connector and a grid array on the board on both sides. Okay, so if you see this connector here, it appears that we have a grid array, kind of like an Intel socket. I don't know if you can see these pins very well. I'll get a better picture up on screen. But basically, because they didn't provide a proper socket or clamping mechanism, these pins can not be making contact on your machine anymore. The only way around it currently, kind of, is just by taking it apart. Make sure you visually inspect the pins. Make sure there's none of them out of whack. They're very small, so they're going to be difficult to see. But just a little visual inspection, and then we're going to put them in and make sure we put a little bit of extra stank on her. Being careful not to strip your screw. So push a little bit on there. Same with this side, we're gonna match the locating pins, make sure that they're in there correct. You'll see it sits flat without a screw in there if you've got those locating pins in there correctly. And then screw this in there and give her a little bit extra. Making sure to put a lot of downward force so you don't strip your screw. But once we button her all back up, in my experience, the sound board is now detected. You're able to go to Dell's support website and automatically run the updater to get the proper drivers for it, or you can download them yourself. But it seems to fix the issue.